Hello, today I will explain the Yuva Nidhi Scheme, which provides monthly financial support for unemployed youth in Karnataka, and I will guide you through step-by-step application process. The Yuva Nidhi Scheme is one of the Karnataka government's 5 guarantee scheme. It gives 3,000 per month to unemployed graduates and 1,500 rupees per month to unemployed diploma holders until they get job or up to 2 years maximum. To apply Yuva Nidhi, you must be resident of Karnataka, have complete graduation or diploma, be unemployed for at least 6 months after completing your studies, not be already employed in government or private sector, not be receiving benefits from other similar schemes. Documents required. Keep these documents ready before applying. Aadhaar card, Karnataka domicile certificate, educational certificate, degree or from diploma. Bank account passbook linked with Aadhaar, mobile number linked with Aadhaar, unemployment declaration, self-declaration form. How to apply? Here the step-by-step apply for Yuva Nidhi scheme. First of all, search guarantee scheme on Google and click on first link. It will redirect to guarantee scheme. Click on Yuva Nidhi. It will redirect you to this. Click on register here and enter Aadhaar, and it will receive OTP to your mobile linked mobile number and enter OTP. After that, enter login ID which receives to your mobile number and enter OTP or password. And enter this number and click on login and fill the form. Enter your name, Aadhaar, education details and bank account details. Upload required documents and confirm and click submit and save or screenshot the tracking number. After submission, your application will be verified by the department. Once approved, you will receive your amount directly credited into your bank account.